Para mañana, señora. Sábado. What a wonderful day. I am now stuck on the side of the road on West Avenue. All because my car is smoking and overeating. Fuck this shit, I'm going to eat. Mira, 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 mira. There it is. That's where it's going on. Right? Right?
Yes.
Waiting for it to burp. Waiting for it to go burp, 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 burp. I just went to go pick up Miley, and he said that if anybody stops, I'm supposed to say, mi esposo es bien chingón. Bien chingón? Chingón? Really? Oh, I forgot. I'm supposed to say, es bien chingón grande. I think this is the burping he told me about, because it's like erupting a little bit, but there it comes again. There it goes. Oh my god, oh my god. Gustavo es super hombre. Gustavo es mi amigo.